Friends, welcome to your channel Aarohi Classes, and in today's video I will explain the plane angle and the solid angle. So start with the plane angle. Plane angle. The unit of plane angle is radian. Radian is the measure of plane angle. A radian is the angle subtended by an arc of length or at the center of circle whose radius is r. Okay, so you can see here a radian is an angle which is intended by an arc whose length is r at the center of the circle whose radius is r. So this is 1 radian. 1 radian is the circle, 1 radian is the angle subtended by the arc whose length is r at the center of the circle whose radius is r. So we can write here r arc length makes angle of 1 radian. So unit arc length makes angle of 1 by r radian, or L arc length makes an angle of L by r, that is equal to theta. So we can write here L equal to theta into r. If theta equal to 2 pi, then L becomes circumference of circle. L equal to 2 pi r. Now the solid angle. Solid angle. The unit of solid angle is steradian. S-T-E-R-A-D-I-A-N. Steradian. A steradian is the measure of solid angle. A spherical surface of area r square makes 1 steradian at the center. At the center of a spherical surface of area r square makes one steradian at the center of a sphere of radius r. Okay, so you can see here there is a sphere whose radius is r and a spherical surface of radius of area of r square. Area of r square makes an angle of 1 steradian at the center of the sphere. Okay, so we can write here r square area makes an angle of 1 steradian. So unit area makes an angle of 1 divided by r square steradian. Okay, and unit area dA is the dA is the small spherical area makes an angle of dA by r square, which is equal to elementary solid angle d ohm. D ohm is nothing but r square area makes an angle of 1 steradian. Unit area makes an angle of 1 divided by r square steradian. A small elementary area dA makes an angle of dA divided by r square, which is also denoted by d ohm, which is known as elementary solid angle. And we know dA equal to r square sine theta d theta d phi. So d ohm will be equal to r square sine theta d theta d phi divided by r square, that is equal to sine theta d theta d phi. Okay, so this is the elementary solid angle d ohm, which is equal to sine theta d theta d phi. 1 steradian equal to 1 radian square. If we convert radian into the degree, then we have to multiply by 180 divided by pi. It is a radian square, so we have to multiply by a square of 180 divided by pi. Okay, so that is equal to 3282.8064 square degree, and 4 pi steradian equal to 4 pi multiply 3282.8064 square degree, that is equal to 41253 square degree. This is the solid angle in a sphere. Solid angle in a sphere. So that is enough for today video. If you like this video, if you like this information, please subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you very much.